From a complete rookie to fluently speaking Spanish, the importance of communication is vastly underestimated. It's naive to think that one can travel the world and expect all of humanity to understand his or her native tongue. When you snap back to reality, you start to see something. In order to convey a message globally, whether for business or pleasure, an open mind to adapt to new cultures and languages is of utmost priority. A big part of this adaptability includes being able to communicate with new people in various dialects. Being unable to communicate in a country is virtually impossible. It's difficult to adapt and get along with new people if there is no way to communicate with one another. We understand the impact of communication in the increasingly integrated global community. This is why we created Rocket Spanish. Our program takes you from beginner level to speaking Spanish fluently. Specifically built for interaction, our audio lessons are the easiest way to learn the foundation of the Spanish language. Once you've learned the basics, continue to perfect your grammar and pronunciation with our top-notch voice recognition system. Being able to communicate is important, but being able to communicate clearly is the priority. Therefore, our system lets you practice matching your grammar and pronunciation to well over 1,000 Spanish words and phrases. Learning words and grammar is great, but how about actually speaking the language? Ensure that you truly know the material by training yourself with real-world Spanish conversation that you are going to use in a face-to-face meeting. Mastering the language itself is the ultimate goal, but it's also really important to learn the Spanish culture itself. What do the Spanish value? What are their norms? Learn all of this in our built-in culture lessons. To empower the learning community, we've created a free mobile app to learn Spanish everywhere you want to go. In combination with our very own Q&A forum, you can get the answers to all your Spanish language questions. Not sure whether our program fits your needs? Our free trial gives you 24/7 lifetime access to over 4 hours of selected lessons taken straight from the full Rocket Spanish course. The people that have purchased Rocket Spanish love it. Take a look at our well over 3,200 positive reviews and see it yourself. Discover how our program can get you speaking Spanish fluently in no time. Click the link button below and make the first move towards your Spanish journey.